Hello guys, this is DC Trader for another market update, and today is December 21st, 2020, and we are 4 days before Christmas Day. And what's going on with our S&P futures, guys? Take a look at this, guys. We were so excited to having a new all-time high, and today look at that big red candle, and it's going down. Ooh, that is not, and it just actually just broke a little bit higher from our previous high of 3,723. Today it just went to 3,724, just 1 point, and it dropped hard. That is not good. Alright, but that's okay. Not as exciting. Everything can change here. Well, I don't know what will happen when it hits this moving average. But it looks to me, look at that. It looks like it's going more down. That's okay. Let us discuss our markets today. Our markets today, overall, it did not push above 7,300. And it had a little bit of a pullback. But overall, guys, let's take a look at this. So the last bear micro we got was on this day, was in December 16. And basically on Thursday, so basically the market dropped down, ended above actually just below a few points. So basically you cannot push that one higher, right? Because it did not reach above there. And on Friday, what happened is it went down. But the problem is it ended up higher, but it did not break this level. So that's why we mark this level as our one or the other. And what happened today? It went down first. The good thing is that it did not retest 7,157 again. So which means this is a bear micro. Now the thing is that, okay, there's also another issue we have. Although this one, it retested this high of 7,235, but it also went back down though. And it tried to go up. So the way I would see it tomorrow is like this. It's one or the other. We wanted to go higher to make this more proven that this is a bull micro. But if this goes back down here, guys, then you know this is a bull micro. And if it breaks again here, this could be definitely a start of a bear micro, and it could go back down at 7,157, which is not a good idea. And this level here of 7,132, why is that level so important? This used to be the level here before this one broke. Now this became a resistance. Now it's trying to be a support. That's why. So the next particular stock we're going to be discussing is AC Energy. And AC Energy today, guys, what did it do? It went very...
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
That power there. Tried to go down, could not go below 583, and now it's pushing up even stronger. Look at this move, guys. I don't know, maybe this has some more juice here. And you remember this particular day started 1, 2, 3. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. And on Friday it changed to a bull micro, and we choose this level as one or the other. And today it even jumped higher, retest the highs twice or even 3 times, and ended up high. That is great. So for tomorrow, one or the other. And why is this 692 important? 692, 694, around that area. So guys, I think for AC energy, it's this one or the other. And we want this bull micro to continue, guys, and I like it to continue. Alrighty. And the next particular stock we're gonna be discussing is Ali. So let's take a look at Ali for a second. Ali really, guys, is really having a very tight day here. Look at all those candles overlapping there. From there, break out a bit. This particular area is really a very hard range. Now let's take a look at the take a look at that. So basically the last bull micro was here, and we're still in the middle between this and this. So today I will just have to maintain it's either 40.81 or 42. That's really it, one or the other. If it choose this first, then you know this is a bull micro continuation. If it starts this area here first, then this is a bear micro. Other than that, but this still has more to the upside. That's what I think, because it could not break this level here of 40.80. So the next particular stock we're going to be discussing is BDO. So what's BDO doing, guys? Let's take a look. On the big picture, look at that. Second entry here. And we got 3 days of really bearish movement. Now let's take a look at that. 1, 2, and today it's a continuation to a bear micro. Now the only good thing about this particular area is we're just gonna drop this tomorrow, one or the other. Actually more like that. So my guess is that, okay, in this scenario, if we, and also we also were discussing to you guys how important 111 is. There you go. We dropped there. Now we're in the middle. So my goal is, if we can stay above 1113 here, this area here, and continue to create higher highs, then this is a bull micro, and this could continue. Other than that, guys, then we'll see what's gonna happen. All right. So let's see. Sorry about that. I'm kind of have a little bit of a sneezing issue here, but I'm good. All right. So the next particular stock that we're gonna be discussing is Converge. Now for Converge, guys, I was thinking this particular market is really pushing up. But the only thing that I was really I wanted us to stay above 1590, and these past few days we're going here, and today we retested this particular area, so confirming this is a very stronger bull micro, bear micro. So the way I'm gonna do it for tomorrow, to be really sure, guys, we need to stay above 1580. If we can stay above 1580, guys, then that's great. Then this is a very strong buyer who wants to retest this particular area and continue to go up. Now, if tomorrow we go back down below 1554, then these buyers are weaker. And we may be able to, by the look of this, we could even go down as low as 15, maybe around this particular area, which makes this one a continuation to the downside. And that's why this area is so important to hold, guys. 1535. If we can hold 1535, then we know our target is this area. The other guys, that's really it. All right. Okay, so the next particular stock is BDO. And for BDO, guys, look at that beautiful guy. BDO now is its new all-time high of around 835 or even higher. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. It took a while though. After this really strong move, it has to move down. Buyers again added to reach this level of 805 and higher. And today they reached it and they did a good job. Great job for BDO traders. And so you know that this was the last day of the bear micro, and then the rest of the day is a bull micro. And for tomorrow, we're just gonna adjust this to this, one or the other, guys. All right, that is for BDO. The next particular stock is FGEN. And FGEN is doing okay. Look at that, guys. What's really the main target of FGEN? Go. One or the other. I would say it's 29.35 if it continues its bull micro. For tomorrow, there you go. Continue to that area. The next particular stock is HLCM. And let's take a look at HLCM, guys. Now for HLCM, it's a little, but okay, basing on this particular movement, guys, very strong down, buyers came up, very strong down, buyers tried but were very short-handed, and today they had a continuation. So basing on this, sellers are really giving an upper hand, except today there is a bull micro, but also it ended up looks like a start of a bear micro. So let's see what happens here. These areas here are where sellers came in. So let's see if we can go back. We have to go back here, 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 in order for us to go back here. Buyers are here, only approximately 2 spots. Where are the buyers, guys? Here. Here. So basically, if we can stay above basically 750 and create higher highs, then you know that the buyers are trying to go back up. But right now, if we're gonna continue to go down 735 and 720 can't hold, then you know this stock is going back down to 7 pesos, and that is not good. All right, but overall, I think this stock, we still really have to wait for this particular moving average. But right now, 1, 2, this second entry is really strong. This may want to go back down, but we don't want it to reach around this particular area. All right, so the next particular stock is JFC, and JFC right now is a continuation of a bear micro, and it actually landed around this particular area where we mark. All right, so basically, let's take a look at what happens to Jollibee. So this particular area where buyers once started to push, and now they have an opportunity again. So the next time, where are the buyers? There you go. So I will think about this one, because right now this particular area is where we're at, and we are really more today downside. So let's see what happens. So I hope tomorrow one or the other would be this area. So we wanted to stay above 204.01. If it does not stay above 204.01, then you know it's going back to 201.73 and below. That is for this particular stock. The next particular stock we're going to be discussing is MBT. And MBT has just went to a second entry long, which is good, and it actually stopped at the moving average. So the way I'm gonna see it, guys, is what happened here. Yes, we marked this as a bull micro, but the problem is today it ended up and did not retest it, and it went straight up even above here. So where is the bull micro? Here. So this one canceled off though. So the bear micro, just here. All right. All right, guys. Oh, just a little bit of a announcement, guys. Take a look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Now it's breaking back down. Now it's going to break this particular area of 620. 3,620. Oh my goodness. Market is a big sell-off today, but overall it's still pretty high, guys. But that is some. This is really on a minute update. Oh my goodness. Look at that big red day, guys. Oh no. Alright, don't worry. Let's go back to our MBT here. But just a little bit of a shocker there. And take a look at that, guys. 5-minute candle. Oh my goodness. That is basically 80 from 3680 down back to 3631. That's 50 points. All right, let's discuss back here. The next particular stock. So basically for tomorrow, one or the other, let us mark this particular area. One or the other, guys. We want it to continue above here. If not, then it could start its bear micro here and it's gonna end it up here. All right. The next particular stock we're gonna be discuss is MM. Now MM overall, look at that, guys. It's either this or this, and today there's a change here. MM is trying to go back up. That is good. So basically here, what happened is, this is a bear micro, one or the other, couple of days, did not change, and today it went back up. So that is a bull micro. So for tomorrow, there's some minor adjustments. There you go. One or the other, guys. So we want it to stay above 623 and still go up high. This is good news though, guys. But PGOLD, not so good, guys. PGOLD is not so good. Take a look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. PGOLD, how many green days? Only a few small days. Mostly it's red days. Oh my lord here. PGOLD, and take a look at that, guys. PGOLD is really giving us a hard time. Take a look at that. And today it started up high, dropped back down, guys. So one or the other. For tomorrow, really, guys, it's a little bit bigger. There you go. If it breaks this first, then this is a bull micro, right? But if it continues there, it's a continuation of this going back down. That's really it for PGOLD. And it looks to me this can even go back down to 39. That is a super That's okay. SECB, let's take a look at SECB. And SECB today was also a continuation of a bear micro. The only difference today is, take a look at that, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It even just touched that level of 131 as we were talking about, and buyers showed up. So I would say overall for tomorrow, guys, like this, one or the other, guys. If it ended up 138 and above and continue, that is a bull micro. If it cannot reach up 138 and went back down to 130, then it's a continuation of this bear micro. That's really it, guys. But overall, I think it's holding this particular area here. So let's see what happens. Because remember, it dropped down strong and buyers push it back up. That is a good sign. All right, for SECB. But overall, guys, since 1 month of upside, we just only have 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So I mean, it's still more bullish than bearish, guys. The next particular stock that we're gonna be discussing is tech. Tech, on the other hand, guys, it is a little bit of a, it touched this particular area and went back down. That is a little, oh my goodness, take a look at this. Tech, guys, we were very excited that it was going up, and this is our one or the other, guys. Basically, it touched both. It go up, down, but it could not retest this high, and it retested below. So there's a bear micro, The only thing is that it did not retest here. So for tomorrow, we're just gonna adjust this to this. One or the other, guys. Now, the only way this can change, guys, is if it did not touch this area. That means buyers here, bought here, and their target is here. If not, then they could go back down. And the next area of concern would be this particular area, 661. All right. That is for this particular stock. All right. So thank you very much, guys, for taking your time and listening to me. And we're going to do this tomorrow. Take care and God bless.